Welcome to our channel. Today we bring you the 10 most affordable electric cars for 2022 and 2023. Before we continue, please press the subscribe button and the bell notification icon to receive regular updates whenever we upload a video. You may simply be searching for an efficient second car for city use or commuting in congested vehicle lanes, in which case it makes little sense to spend top cash for 400 miles of range when a 200-mile EV will do. Or you may have correctly predicted that a more extensive selection of EVs with considerably superior technology will be available when your new EV's lease or loan is up. Or the higher than expected expense of installing level 2 home charging, which is almost mandatory for having an EV, may have reduced your budget for the car itself. Whatever your reasons, there are now affordable EVs accessible, albeit they are still more expensive than equivalent gasoline vehicles. EV availability might be relative. Some are only available in particular states, while others require a reservation for weeks or months later delivery. The 10 most affordable electric cars for 2022 and 2023 are ranked by beginning price. The prices exclude the federal government's plug-in tax credit, which is currently $7,500 for qualifying taxpayers on most electric vehicles, and any state or local subsidies. 10. 2023 Nissan Leaf, starting at $28,040. Nissan has unveiled a modestly revised version of its legendary Leaf electric hatchback for the 2023 model year. According to Nissan, this lineup simplification is by the most popular models chosen by customers. RSV Plus test car outperformed its EPA highway rating of 94 mpge, achieving 98 mpge on 75 mph fuel economy route. The Nissan badge has been modified and is now lighted to match the appearance that Nissan is rolling out across the lineup. Aerodynamic enhancements have also been made, with the design of the tire deflectors, rear underbody diffuser, and rear spoiler altered. In terms of pricing, the Leaf is still the lowest electric vehicle on the market by a significant margin, costing $28,040, including destination charges, before any possible $7,500 tax credits, which depend on an individual's eligibility. 9. 2023 Mini Cooper SE, starting at $34,225. The Resolute Edition is equipped with 17-inch wheels. Up front are sports seats with yellow and cream tweed fabric and a leather-wrapped steering wheel. The Mini Electric will have a combined mpge rating of 108. For comparison, the combined mpge ratings for the Leaf and Bolt EV are 118 and 111 respectively. We can test the Mini's real-world range on our 75 mph highway route as part of our extensive testing, but we will only be able to confirm the government estimate later. Every Mini Electric is equipped with dual-zone climate control, a heated steering wheel, heated front seats, and a novel heat pump architecture that warms the passenger compartment with 75% less energy than a conventional electric heater. The addition of ambient inside lighting in 6 different hues gives the cabin another unique dimension. Unfortunately, the back seat is cramped, and there isn't much cargo capacity, just like the Mini Cooper with a gas engine. 8. 2023 Chevrolet Bolt, starting at $27,200. The all-electric 2022 Bolt EUV and the revised Bolt EV were added to Chevrolet's roster of electric vehicles for 2022. Prices for the Bolt EUV have been drastically reduced for 2023, with the entry-level LT model starting at $27,200, plus $995 freight, and the top-of-the-line Premier Redline model reaching $32,195. LT Redline, $27,695, and Premier, $31,700 models are in the middle. The cost of the Premier is $5,800 less than the cost of the 2022 Premier model that we examined for this research. The 150 kilowatt electric motor in the Bolt EUV is capable of 266 foot-pounds of torque and 200 horsepower. The combined EPA rating for the 2023 Bolt EV is 120 mpge. However, in our real-world test, the latest Bolt EV we tested earned 102 mpge, translating to a highway range of 180 miles. 7. 2022 Mazda MX-30 EV, starting at $33,470. The MX-30 was created primarily to satisfy the demands of Americans who travel 30 miles daily. The MX-30 is always prepared for what comes next with an EPA estimated range of 100 miles on a full charge and access to a top electric vehicle (EV) charging network. It's simple to recharge both at home and on the move. The MX-30, based on Mazda's CX-30 compact SUV, is a new EV with limited features. Its electric motor has much less power than competing EVs, putting out only 143 horsepower and 200 pound-foot of torque. For instance, the 200 horsepower and 266 pound-foot of torque of the Chevrolet Bolt. The 35.5 kilowatt-hour battery pack of the MX-30 can only support 100 miles of travel on a full charge. In combined city highway driving, the MX-30 has an EPA consumption rating of 37 kilowatt-hours per 100 miles. Combined driving equates to 92 mpg, mpge in the EPA's equivalent to a gasoline engine. 6. 2023 Hyundai Kona Electric, starting at $33,550. The Hyundai Kona Electric is an electric SUV with various trim options and fascinating features. The award-winning IONIQ 5 was constructed from the ground up, but this electric vehicle wasn't. Instead, the Hyundai Kona, a petrol-powered current model, was used as the inspiration for its design. Despite technological changes, the Kona Electric maintains the agility that many people associate with the gasoline-powered Kona. The Hyundai Kona Hybrid is officially rated at 55 to 58 mpg depending on trim level. The Kona Electric and IONIQ 5 show Hyundai's intention to electrify its fleet. In addition to these electric vehicles, the South Korean car maker unveiled the IONIQ 6, a sedan with a cutting-edge style that combines modern and vintage elements. 5. 2023 Kia EV6, $48,500. 2023 EV6 GT's dual-motor eAWD, 160 kilowatt front, 270 kilowatt rear, generates 576 HP and 545 feet-pound, 739 Nm of torque. By incorporating an electronically controlled suspension, an electronic limited-slip rear differential, high-performance brakes, larger 21-inch wheels, and Goodyear Eagle F1 tires, the new GT improves upon the existing EV6 GT line. Interior features of the GT include a custom set of lightweight sports seats and distinctive accents. Every single-motor EV6 has an EPA combined range of up to 117 mpge, while the dual-motor variant has a rating of 105 mpge. The optional technology package for Wind AWD, which includes surround view monitor, blind spot view monitor, parking collision avoidance assistance reverse, and a remote start parking assist, has been expanded as an option for the Wind RWD to improve the remainder of the EV6 lineup. 4. 2023 Hyundai IONIQ 5, starting at $41,450. The MSRP for the Hyundai IONIQ 5N is anticipated to be $41,450. The IONIQ 5N test vehicle has a thicker front bumper with extra vents to cool the battery pack, which will withstand heavier loads than other versions. At the front, we anticipate the same matrix LED headlamp configuration as the normal IONIQ 5. The IONIQ 5's range with the basic 58 kilowatt-hour battery pack is predicted to be 220 miles. With two motors, the bigger 77.4 kilowatt-hour battery is capable of 266 miles of travel and 303 miles with only one engine. On our real-world range test at 75 mph, the dual-motor model covered 210 miles on a single charge. A two-row, all-electric crossover SUV called the Hyundai IONIQ 5 made its debut for the 2022 model year. 3. 2023 Toyota BZ4x, starting at $42,000. Toyota has released US price information for the 2023 BZ4X SUV, which will be on sale this spring. The spiritual successor to the RAV4 EV, based on the eTNGA dedicated EV platform, has a starting MSRP of $42,000 in the US for the basic XLE model with front-wheel drive, plus a $1,250 shipping, processing, and handling charge. The EPA's MPG equivalent ratings range from an excellent 114 to 119 mpge, combined with FWD, to a competitive 102 to 104 mpge, combined with AWD, according to Toyota, debunking the poor efficiency suggested by this rating. AWD vehicles have one motor on each axle for a total of 214 horsepower, while FWD variants have a front-mounted electric engine with 210 horsepower. The electric SUV has a respectable performance with a 0 to 60 time of 7.1 seconds for FWD and 6.5 seconds for AWD. The base AWD model utilizes a battery pack with a capacity of 72.8 kilowatt-hours built in China. 2. 2023 Niro EV, starting at $39,450. The 2023 Kia Niro EV, anticipated to start appearing in showrooms in all 50 states later this month, has received a US pricing announcement from Kia. The wind and wave trim options for the 2023 Kia Niro EV will be available. The starting price for the entry-level wind model will be $39,450. The more expensive wave variant will cost $44,450 to purchase. With a starting price of $1,950 more than the Niro EV base model, Kia's more recent crossover, the EV6, offers a base model with a smaller battery pack and a shorter range. The hybrid drivetrain in the Kia Niro produces 139 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque. Kia calculates the vehicle's theoretical range on a petrol tank at 588 miles based on its 53 to 54 mpg city highway rating. The 6-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox drives the front wheels. 1. 2023 Volkswagen ID.4, starting at $37,495. The 2023 ID.4 electric crossover SUV, which Volkswagen just started producing at its factory in Chattanooga, Tennessee, will begin with a suggested price of $37,495. This makes it one of the more reasonably priced plug-in crossovers available right now. Moreover, the ID.4's cost might decrease even more when combined with the $7,500 federal EV tax credit. Volkswagen claims it will charge $1,295 for each unit's delivery. Since its introduction in 2021, 190,000 ID.4s have been delivered to consumers worldwide, making it the most well-liked EV produced by VW. According to the EPA, the rear-wheel drive ID.4 Pro S is slightly more fuel efficient than the rear-wheel drive Pro model, getting 104 mpg e-city and 89 mpg highway. The rear-wheel drive ID.4 achieved 82 mpg e on our 75 mph highway fuel economy test route and continued for 190 miles. Thanks for watching the video. Comment down below which part you like the most, or click on the thumbs up button if you like the video.